Hey guys, welcome back to Bad Hombre Garage. Thank you for joining me this time on an extra special episode where I wear my Model A Mafia t-shirt specifically for the stars and bars on the back because today I celebrate freedom. And if you want to see how, check this out. Today, success, as we freed that from that. That's what I call winning. Alright guys, I'm back. It's April. I think it's April. I don't know what day it is. I've been locked down for a while. The reality is I'm not going to get anybody over here to move this car body for me. So I'm going to do it myself. We're going to figure this out. Did a little work on the car. I took the radiator grill shell off, disconnected my steering column. Took my shifter, my brake pedal, my dash out. Disconnected everything that I could, everything that I needed to yank this body off. My goal by the time this is over is to have that body sitting here. Which means I'm gonna have to move a bunch of craft projects, a broken down go-kart, some miscellaneous junk, and find a place to sit it. I'm supposed to stay at home, which means I didn't buy 2x4s to make some sawhorses to set the body on. But I got a wooden box, a couple of wheels and tires, some blocks. We're gonna make this happen. We're gonna make this happen. Sit back and watch. Okay, here's what we're dealing with. Got the engine hoist, got the car moved over, off the blocks, moved over as far as I could. I already mentioned I don't have any 2x4s, so I got to figure out how to do this a little better or without them. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and tie off of that brace structure in the back, come up through the top with some straps. I got a whole box full of little tie down straps. And then I'll come around the front, maybe like under my hinges for the door here, and up through and grab on in the middle. And let's say that the middle center of it, center of gravity is going to be about right there. So with any luck I can do it without breaking one of those bows on the top. I'll probably also take that wheel and tire off so I don't have to come up as high, just kind of come up, pull it back and set it down. And once I get this sucker on the ground, it'll be easy to kind of shuffle it around, move it around where it needs to go. that worked out pretty good. You guys have to tell me what you think. If you've done this a different way or a better way, put a little comment down there. Let me know. Love to hear about it. But this worked pretty good. I ended up just putting some jack stands on the front, my big box under the back. It seems pretty sturdy. No, it doesn't, but it seems sturdy enough for now until I can get some proper sawhorses built for it. I gotta tell you, somewhere, someday, there's a loadmaster out there that's gonna watch this video and have a little tear in his eye from me being able to pick a weight and balance on this thing and center of gravity. Nailed it. It was pretty good. Didn't even touch the wood bows with the straps. So that seemed to work out pretty good. I wish I'd thought of it a long time ago. Yeah, so now that I got that over there, I'm going to get the engine hoist back outside, put the tire back on, move this thing around a little bit. I'll give you a little walk around, show you what this frame's all about. All right, now we can get some real work done on this car. Stuff I needed to get done. Body's off, sitting on some stands, and that leaves this to get some major work done on it. I've got all this suspension's just tack welded in. It's all squared up and set, but I need to final weld all my axle brackets, my 4-link brackets, top and bottom, the front brackets, links for it. I got to fix this cross member. It had ladder bars on it that made the car sit way up high. I don't know if the guy was looking for some kind of gasser look or something else, but I took the ladder bars off, sold them. Now I'm going to adjust this cross member, cut those mounts off, and turn it into just a drive shaft loop. I got to finalize my transmission mount, final weld my brake booster all in. Yes, I'm running a brake booster. This engine's pretty mild. It should make good enough vacuum to run that. I want it to cruise okay. Plus, I got to pull this engine transmission off, put the torque converter in it, flywheel, bolt it together for good. And then I gotta paint this whole chassis, and then I get to start putting stuff together. So that's it. I'm gonna call that a video for this one. I'm gonna wrap it up and push it out. Short video, I know, but my mama didn't raise no fool. I'm gonna count my victories wherever I can get them. So, hope you guys like it. Maybe you didn't learn anything, but at least you get to celebrate, like the 10 people that watch these videos with me get to celebrate the win of getting that body off, and now things are gonna happen fast. So, like it, share, subscribe, leave me a comment. I appreciate it. Let's build this community. Hey guys, welcome back to Bad Hombre Garage. Thank